Alright, back with the 8R. As you can see, we got the whole tank removed. You're going to want to unclip right here. And you're going to want to take off the other half of your fuel line so that you can get in here. And you get that tiny little hex screw right there. You can loosen up those so that when you pull the air box off, then that's all freed up and you're good to go for that part. And yeah, we disconnected the battery and took all that out. Working on the air box now, and then once we get that, we can start disconnecting everything else. All right, back with the 8R. Sorry to not give any in-depth detail about how exactly I took it apart. I will go step by step to show you exactly what I did, though. As you can see, I did get to remove the motor without incident. So basically, up here at the top, like I showed you the clip, there's another clip. It's easier, I saw, to take off that part than to cut the tape and try to jimmy it and figure out which one's which. This way, I know which one's which. There's this clip here that you're going to have to unplug. This clip here that you're going to have to unplug. This one here, you're going to have to follow all the way to the motor, which would be right about here. And it'll be all within these clips. Right now I just have it put over to the side. So after you get the motor drop down a little bit, which I used a jack to drop down only a little bit so that I can then get to everything else. In the front of the motor, I took off the radiator. It's this bolt on both top sides. And then there's one on the motor over here that's right here. There's these two hoses in the front of the motor. Easy to just pinch with your fingers. Push those up, take those off. And then once the motor is dropped a little bit, you'll be able to have enough room. And I did have to wait till almost to the very end before I pulled the motor to take my coil packs out. But basically it was really easy. Just popped it, wiggled them, twisted them, bloop, kind of bent them. There's rubber pieces on the end, so makes it easier.